Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve Windows security not opening when you try to quick scan. You can't able to do it guys. So this problem is cause of installing the third-party games or softwares like that. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type Windows PowerShell. Right click on it and select run as administrator guys. You just need to select yes and check my video description for this command guys. Go ahead and copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in guys. Press enter, wait for it. This will done. After getting done guys, close out of here. So just viruses would cause this problem guys. Now you just get resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.